And we are back on the channel once again. So we've got another little problem with the Clio. I believe we've got one brake light out on the left hand side, and we've also got a dodgy indicator bulb on the right, both at the rear. I've tried changing the bulbs and recording another video, but obviously legend has it the bulbs aren't the problem. So I've been off to the scrappies once again, and I've sourced 2 instrument clusters that should be a 1-for-1 swap. So I'll just show you the issues that I've been having. We've got go left is okay, but notice how that's rapid fire every now and again. So I'll pop the hazards on and we'll go and have a look. So naturally for the video it's now working, but we're going to change the instrument cluster anyway, because I also have one of the brake lights that don't work. So it's the left hand side. I'm literally just going to change both the instrument clusters, so I'll show you how. So first step of taking out light clusters is by taking out these 3 bolts. They're all T20s, so it should go in, crack them off, and then the headlight should just slide straight out. There's our 3 bolts out. You can see on the, there goes one. This whole unit should just slide straight out. Sorted. Headlight out. This just came out as it was, but all I'm going to do, take this connector out, then replace it with our brand new ones here. Now that connector popped up so much easier than I thought it would be. So now pop that down to one side, grab the appropriate side, which was back right, and then pop it in, and hope for the best. Yep, it's clicked in. We'll get our housing back on. This is a better example. So that brake light's on. This brake light's really dim, so it looks like it's almost burnt out. Some could say it's a bulb, but I'm not convinced because I've already changed the bulb on this very recently. So I'm just going to change the entire cluster, hence why we've got the other one there. And bosh, with that side reassembled, time to move on to this side. I'm not going to record all of this because it's the same process. 3 bolts out, 1 in. So yeah, check back in once it's all done. Now as you can see, we've got our bulbs working. Thank God for that. I'm going to pop the panel back on and wrap it all back up. And that wraps up our video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this helps somebody out there. It's literally just changing the instrument clusters, but yeah, an absolute nightmare. But we've got it fixed now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.